Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable telemetry on Windows 11. Data collection is a big privacy concern for users. Windows 11 is not an exception. It also collects telemetry data of your system usage, app usage, visited websites, etc. Microsoft collects your usage statistics through its built-in telemetry system. When you install a fresh copy of Windows 11 or upgrade your PC to Win 11, the telemetry and data collection feature is enabled by default. This feature collects user activity information and sends it to the Microsoft server. What is Windows telemetry? Telemetry is an automated process that concerns data collection from a remote PC in the background and transmitting it back to Microsoft. Microsoft uses this collected data to monitor and improve the operating system, enhance security, troubleshoot problems, and improve the overall user experience. If you're concerned about privacy, Microsoft allows you to turn off this feature on Windows 11. Unfortunately, Microsoft has not provided a straightforward option to turn it off. However, the built-in Settings app includes several choices for disabling telemetry and diagnostic data collecting. In this Garip Windows article, we will guide you on turning off telemetry on Windows 11. Windows 11 sends two types of diagnostic data to the Microsoft server. Required diagnostic data collects limited information for understanding the device and its configuration, including basic device information, quality-related information, app compatibility, and Microsoft Store. Optional diagnostic data contains additional details about your device and its settings, capabilities, and device health. You can disable sending both types of diagnostic data on Windows 11. How to disable sending diagnostic data to Microsoft in Windows 11. To turn off sending diagnostic data to Microsoft in Windows 11, first, open the Settings app by pressing the Windows +I hotkey or any other method. In the Settings window, select Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right of it, click the Diagnostics and Feedback tile. Under the Diagnostic Data section, turn off the toggle switch Sending Optional Diagnostic Data. Turning off Send Optional Diagnostic Data limits data collection by Microsoft, but it doesn't disable everything. So, scroll down and click on the Tailored Experiences tile. Under the Tailored Experiences section, turn off the toggle switch that reads, Let Microsoft use your diagnostic data, excluding info about websites you browse, to enhance your product experiences with personalized tips, ads, and recommendations. That's it. Windows 11 will stop sending telemetry and other diagnostic information to Microsoft. Please note you'll no longer receive updates if you're in the Windows Insider program and disable telemetry. You can ask by commenting on this video if you have any questions. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.